Hey chickadees, welcome to a new week of e-learning. We've made it to the last week of April, so let's look at our date today for our calendar time. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. And our weather today is sunny. I want to move my sunny thing over here. Let's get it back. All right, we have been in school 147 days. Okay, so we need to add a few ones. So let's count up from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 147 days. So here's our 10 tens for 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 40 is 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 140. And here's our 7 ones. 147. Here's 147 on our hundreds chart. We're going to do some 100s activities in just a minute. Some activities on our hundreds chart. Okay, I got my random number generator to work. So let's see. Let's do 10. We've got a group of 10 right here, and we'll add 6. So we'll start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many does that make? We've got a group of 10. And a group of 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that makes 16. 16 is 110. There's our 10 right here. 110 and 6 ones make 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Okay, let's do one more. Let's reset it. What number will we get? I don't know. All right, 10 plus 1. And look at there, we already have it. We've got 10, and then one more right here. We don't even have to pull any more. 10 plus 1. We've got 10, and one more makes 11. 11 is 110. Here it is right here. Here's our one group of 10, and 1 makes 11. 10, 11. Okay, let's reset, and we'll do one more. 10 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3. Here's our group of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 is our 110. Here's our 110 right here. 13, 10, and 3 ones. 3 more. 10 plus 3 equals 13. All right, let's do something kind of similar. We'll do a number bond with some 10 things. Okay, so we're going to have a group of 10 here. And then we're going to get some more ones. Let's see how many we have. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that gives us 15 total, right? So I've got 10 here, a group of 10, and 5 gives us 15. So let's put our total here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 110. Here's our 110. And our 5 ones makes 15. Okay, so let's go through and make all of our number sentences. We've got 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences to make up our number family or fact family. All right, so we'll start with adding. So we're going to add the 2 parts. Here's one part, and here's our total. So let's start with adding. 10, here's one part, plus 5 is our total right here, 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Here we go. Now, let's do the related facts. So we did this part first last time, 10 plus 5. Now let's change the order of the add-ins. And we'll do 5 plus 10. And we still have the same total. We just switched the order of the add-ins. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. So here's our 1, here's our 110, and then 5 more ones. 10 plus 5 equals 15, and 5 plus 10 equals 15. Now, when we do our subtraction sentences, we start with the total. When we subtract, our answer gets smaller, and our answer is called the difference. And when we add, our answer gets bigger, and our answer is called the sum. So let's look and see if we're doing our subtraction sentences. We're going to start with the biggest number both times, and our biggest number is our total right here of our two parts, and our total is 15. So we'll start with 15 each time, and then we'll subtract one part. Okay, so if we start with 15 and we take 10 away, so let's take one part away. 15 take away 10. What part is left? 15 take away 10 is 5. 5 is our other part. So 15 minus 10 is 5. Clear that off. Okay, then we'll start with 15 and we'll take the other part away. 15 minus 5. And what part do you have left? You have 10 left. Oh, sorry. 15 minus 5. And then you have 10 left. So let's go back. We'll look at all of our number sentences that we made for our fact family. So we've got our related facts up here. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 5 plus 10 equals 15. And notice how when we add, our answer gets bigger. When we add, our answer is called the sum. That's right. Okay, now look at our two subtraction sentences. And when we subtract, our answer gets smaller, and our answer is called the difference. That's right. So 15 minus 10 equals 5. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Okay, let's look at our hundreds chart today. It's a fancy new hundreds chart that I made, and I can't wait for us to use this in the classroom. But we're going to answer some of these questions using patterns on our hundreds chart today. We looked at these a little bit a few weeks ago, but we're going to do some more today. Okay, so the first question says 10 more than 30 is. So let's put a chip on 30 so it's easy to find 30. 10, 20, 30. We can go here. Now, if we're doing 10 more, we just have to follow the pattern down one space on the hundreds chart, and that gives us 10 more. So I'll show you just to make sure. So here's 30, and we'll count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you go counting by ones, you go this way. When you go tens, you can go down one on the hundreds chart. So let's see. 10 more than 30 is 40. Okay, now the next thing says 10 less than 30. So let's look at 10 less. Now, if you're getting less, then your answer is getting smaller. So you have to go backwards, right? So if we go backwards 10, we can count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we see that we just go up one space on the hundreds chart. So 10 less than 30 is 20. So more than, you go down one space. Less than, you go up one space. And you can think less is getting smaller, and see we're getting closer to the front, and more is getting bigger and we're getting closer to the bottom. So that's how we can do that. Okay, next one. 10 more than 63. So first we have to find 63. So let's see, where is it? So let's start with 60 and we'll count up 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay, so which way are we going to go to find more than 63? 10 more than 63. Will we go up or will we go down on the hundreds chart? We'll go down. That's right, to find 10 more. So 10 more than 63 is 73. We go down one on the hundreds chart. We go down one column there. Okay, now let's look at 63 and let's find what is 10 less than 63. So here's 63. Which way will we go to find 10 less than 63? We'll go up because we're getting smaller, right? We're getting closer to the front, so that means we're getting smaller. So 10 less than 63 is 53 because you go up one space. So we've got 63, 10 more is 73, 63, 10 less is 53. Okay. 41 is our next one. Okay, so let's see. Let's find 41. So here's 40. We'll go one more space to 41. Okay, 10 more than 41. Do we go up one column or down one column? Which way do we go? Up or down to get more? So if we're getting more, we're going towards the 100, right? So we're getting more. So 10 more. Oops, I did that wrong. It's okay. 10 more than 41 is 51. Let me make it match. So we'll put the red here on 41 because that's what I did on all the other ones. So 10 more than 41 is 51. We'll go down one. Okay, now let's do 10 less than 41. What is 10 less than 41? We'll go up one space and find that 10 less than 41 is 41. Go up one space, 31. Okay, and here's our last one, 75. So let's find 75. Here's 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay, let's do 10 more than 75. So here's 75. Which way should I go? Up or down to find 10 more? Down, that's right. 10 more than 75 is 85. Good. Okay, now let's do 10 less. 10 less than 75. Which way do I go? Do I go up or down to get 10 less? I go up. That's right. 10 less than 75 is 65. Very good. We're going to do some more of these. Can't wait to see you do these in the classroom. Okay. Now we have a word problem to do. Okay, so I started out with some cars in the parking lot. Help me count to see how many cars started in the parking lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cars started off in the parking lot. And 2 cars drove away. 2 cars drove away. How many cars are left in the parking lot? Okay, so remember, when things leave or we're getting fewer, we have to subtract and find the difference. Okay, so our answer is getting less when we subtract. Okay, so 5 minus 2. Let's take 2 of our cars away. They left. And then how many cars are left? Can you see the ones that are remaining? Help me count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cars left. So let's look at our number sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, now you're going to match up the subtraction number sentence or the equation, the subtraction equation over here with the picture over here. So let's look. We had 2 cups and 1 cup fell down. How many cups are left? Okay, so let's look through here. 2 cups, we're starting with 2 cups and then 1 fell down. Which number sentence matches that? So let's find the one that starts with 2 because we had 2 cups. Do you see it? Oh, there it is. So 2 cups, move these over here now. 2 cups, we started with 2 cups and 1 cup fell down and there's 1 cup left. Okay, so let's see if we can match the other ones. Okay. Okay, so we started with how many plates? I want you to count and see how many plates of cake that we started with. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We started with 4 plates of cake and 3 cakes are gone. Someone ate them. So we had 3 cakes eaten. So we started with 4 cakes. Someone ate 3 pieces of cake. How many do we have left? So let's see if we can figure it out. We see that we have 1 cake left, 1 piece of cake left. Let's see what number sentence matches that. I want you to tell me which one. All right, I hope you said this one because this one is the one that started with 4 plates of cake, 4 pieces of cake. 3 pieces of cake were eaten, and now there's 1 piece of cake left. Okay, so there's 1 left. You can see right here. We started with 5 flags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 flags got torn. How many flags were left? 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Hey chickadees, let's do some reading stuff today. We're going to think about the sounds in words. We'll be taking some sounds away. We'll be changing some sounds. So here we go. Beat. Take away the ending sound. Beat. B. Dig. Change I to ah. Dog. Bad. Change a to e. Bed. Fox. Change ah to I. Fix. Cup. Change a to a. Cap. Far. Change a to a. For. Did. Change I to a. Dad. Missed. Change I to a. Must. Want. Change a to e. Change a to e. Went. Punch. Change a to I. Pinch. Okay, let's make some vowel consonant E words today. We're still using that long U, vowel consonant E pattern to make the U sound, okay? So we'll start off easy here. We've got a vowel. We're going to add this consonant, F and E, to make U. Use. That's our first one, use. Okay. Staying with the vowel consonant E. I wish I had a capital J. Pretend like this is a capital J. J. Ooh. June. That's a month coming up in the summer. June. Okay. Staying with the vowel U, consonant E. And let's see if you can figure this word out. I'm not going to tell you this. I'll tell you the sounds. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Yule. And that's another word that you use for Christmas time. Yule time. Uh-oh. Tricky little R keeps getting in the way. Yule. There it is. Let me just take my R back here. Okay. Next word. Staying with the vowel consonant E. U. Consonant E pattern. What word is this? Cute. Oh, that tricky R. Maybe if I make them over to the side more. Cute. Okay, what word is this? Rude. Rude. Good. Rude. Mm. This can be our last one because I'm running out of room in our box. Okay, so we have use right here. We had this sound right here, use, and we just have to add a fuse. Good. Okay, so let me put that. I'm going to have to squeeze it up here. Okay, let's read all of our words. Fuse, use, June, Yule, cute, and rude all have that vowel consonant E pattern. And we'll see, we're going to read a book in just a minute that has that sound too. So let me remind you the difference between short vowel U and long vowel U. Short vowel U makes the sound like umbrella, under, bus, and rug. And our long vowel U makes the U sound. It says its name. U says its name. And unicorn, uniform, ruler, and tube. And we've mainly been talking about that vowel consonant E. And so here it is, fuse. We made that word just a minute ago, and it's something that you light on firecrackers to make them explode. So here's fuse, has the U sound, and here's the sound in cub. Use my name, two sounds I use. Short U in cub, long U in fuse. U makes two sounds, U makes two sounds, U and a, U and a, unicorn, U and a, U and a. Do you hear you in us or use? Use. Now look, I want you to notice we just added that E at the end. You might call it a magic E. It's the vowel consonant E. Look, us, use. That's the only difference. Do you hear you in cut or cute? Cute. And look again. Here's our vowel consonant E. All we did was add that E at the end for cute. Cut, cute. You can tell the difference because there's a vowel consonant E. That E is at the end of cute. Do you hear you in cub or cube? Cube. Good. Again, vowel consonant E. All the difference is that E at the end that makes the vowel consonant E pattern. Cute little mule. As we read this, we'll see lots of those vowel consonant E words. And look, here's our sight word, little. Cute little mule. Here's our title page. The author's job is to write the words, and the illustrator draws the picture. Cute little mule. Little mule is cute. Cole gets on. Go, mule, go. I do like to ride. They do not go. Mule is hot. Mule has an excuse. No hat. Like he's thinking of his hat. He really wants it. Cole has a hat. Mule uses it. Do you think he'll go now? Little mule is not hot. They go. So his hat saved him at the end. So let's talk about what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end. So here we are at the beginning, and Cole gets on the mule. He really wants to ride, but there's one problem in the middle. What's the problem? The mule is too hot. How does Cole solve the problem? He finds a hat for the mule to wear, and then they get to go, and that's what he wanted in the end. A, all, am, and, as, at, be, boy, but, can, did, do, down, for, girl, go, had, has, have, he, her, him, his, I, in, is, it, little, look, not, of, on, other, out, said, see, she, so, some, that, the, then, there, they, to, up, was, we, were, what, when, with, you,